Hey, I'm David. I'm the owner of 360 Sites and I help home improvement and construction companies get more leads from Google. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to test if all your triggers and all your tags and all your conversions on Google are working by going to the preview up here and making sure everything is firing correctly so you can start tracking things and finding out what works and what doesn't. Let's get into it. We can check this time properly if everything's working. So we're going to go to workspace, we're going to go to preview up here. We're going to get our website URL. Sorry, I need to go to the contact page, that's where stuff is. And I'm going to get this contact and I'm going to go back to my Google Tag Manager. Actually, every time I do this I keep going off, so I'm going to show you what happens. So we're going to go to preview again, preview. It's going to move to a new page like this. So my URL is already here, so I'm just going to pretend that it wasn't here. I'm going to add that in and we're going to press connect. And then this is going to link up to our website, and this is where you can start pressing around with the buttons and seeing what fires and what doesn't. So the first one we have is the call button. So if I press this now, as you can see, nothing has fired. So here is the tags fired and here is tags not fired. So when I press this button, this phone call landing page should move up here to tags fired. If it's not working, if I haven't set it up correctly, it's going to stay here and then something's wrong with your tag. So let's press this button and see what happens. So I've pressed it, and as you can see, the tag has fired. So now it's up here. So that means this is working. So when someone comes to the website via a Google ad, this tag is going to fire when they press that button. So now let's test the WhatsApp button right here. I know we can barely see it behind the thing. I just can try and move it if possible. So yeah, I can just about click it. So I'm going to press this button and we're going to see if that fired. So that's going to go onto my WhatsApp, and that's also after firing. Now to test the thank you page, what you need to actually do is we're going to need to come out of this and we're going to just type in a different URL on the preview. So if I just X out of all this, so if I come here, I press finish, I'm going to X out of my WhatsApp and I'm going to just X out of this, and then we're going to go to, we're back in our Google Tag Manager and we're going to go to preview again. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change this to the thank you page. So / thank you and then dash and then you. And then straight away when we land on this page, the tag should fire. So let's see what happens if it's all working correctly. So this is the thank you page, and if I come back to the tag assistant, as you can see, that tag is after firing. So this means all our Google ads and Google Tag Manager is firing. It's all working quite well. And if I just X out of everything here again, so we've all this done. We're back on our Google Ads account. We've everything set up correctly. Everything's firing correctly. So this is an old one I had on the website, so don't mind that. Inactive is going to show up on your tags because nothing has happened yet. So give it a few days and see, and then you'll start seeing that this will start showing it's okay, or it'll show no recent conversions and the campaigns. So what will happen is you're going to start coming onto your ads and you're going to go to your stats, and what you're going to start seeing is these will start moving up. You know, if you get 1 a day or 2 a day or 3 a day, whatever people do on the website, it could be the button click, it could be the thank you page, it could be the WhatsApp button. These are going to start appearing right here because you have it all set up on your Google Tag Manager. And then that's how you set up Google Tag Manager with your Google Ads and your website. If you have any questions, please ask them down below and I'll be happy to answer.